was your day? I hope your day was not stressful. So the continuation of my challenge. If you know you watch Yoruba movies very well, come and show your talent. Oh. If you know you watch Yoruba movies very well, this is a challenge for you. Let's have fun. I will be singing some Yoruba movie song background. I mean the song they use for the background of the movie. So all I want you to do is just tell me the title of the movie. And if you know the name of the person that produced the movie, you can also type it at the comment section, because I will be posting this video on Instagram and later tag the producer of the movie. Anything can happen. You can be lucky. I can be lucky. So let's have fun. Goodbye. Ode ni oha. Ode ji oha. Ode ta oha. Eye ire hime ku o eye. Oni lare o. I'd like you to listen to the sound yourself. Can you hear that? Oh, that that's the song. Oh, what's the title of this movie? Odi Beho. What's the title of the I hear that. What's the title of this movie? So what is the title of this movie? This may not be the background of the movie, but if you watch the movie, you will definitely know the movie. If you watch the movie, you will definitely know the title of the movie, because this was the first scene of the movie, and this was an outstanding movie, so you should know it. So let's have fun. What's the title of this movie? Who produced the movie?